Hello everyone, I'm Peiyao Wang from Stony Brook University. Today, I'm happy to present our work SDRL, Reinforcing Structured COT for Video Understanding. This work aims to improve video reasoning through structured reinforcement learning without requiring expensive self-taught annotations. Let's first look at the motivation. Current video reasoning methods mainly follow two paradigms. The first is RL-only training, where the model is supervised only by the final answer. This often leads to thinking drift, weakened temporal grounding, and unstable reasoning. The second is SFT plus RL. Although it improves reasoning quality, it requires expensive self-taught annotations and may limit generalization through imitation learning. Our goal is to achieve efficient, grounded, and generalizable video understanding without any COT annotations. Our contributions are threefold. First, we introduce a structured self-taught format consisting of summarizing, thinking, and answer, which improves temporal grounding before reasoning. Second, we propose two self-supervised objectives, consistency of visual knowledge, or CVK, and dynamic variety of reasoning, or DVR, to stabilize exploration during reinforcement learning. Third, SDRL achieves state-of-the-art performance across multiple video reasoning benchmarks while producing shorter and more efficient reasoning trajectories. The key idea of the SDRL is to explicitly separate perception and reasoning. We first generate a summary that captures the key events at temporal order in the video. Then the model performs reasoning based on this structured summary. Finally, it produces the answer. This structured process forces the model to understand what happened before reasoning about why it happened. To optimize the structured reasoning process, we introduce two self-supervised objectives. The first is CVK, giving multiple sampled response from same video. CVK minimize the divergence among the summaries, encourage more consistency and grounded visual understanding. The second is DVR. DVR maximizes token-wise entropy to encourage diverse reasoning paths. Importantly, the diversity stress is dynamically adjusted according to graph accuracy. When the model is uncertain, we encourage more exploration. When it becomes confident, we reduce diversity and improve stability. We further integrate CVK and DVR into a token-wise weighted GRPO objective. Different parts of the structured output receive different weights. Summary tokens are guided by CVK, while reasoning tokens are guided by DVR. This allows us to jointly optimize answer correctness, structured format, consistency, and diversity within a single reinforcement learning framework. Here are the main quantitative results. SDRL achieves state-of-the-art performance on several challenge video reasoning benchmarks, including Next GQA, MMVQ, Video MMU, Temp Compass, and MV Bench. Compared with strong RL baselines such as Video RL, 1, TV, GRPO, SDRL consistently improve reasoning performance. The published study further shows that both CVK and DVR contribute significantly, and their combination achieves the best overall performance. This example illustrates by SDRL. Existing method fail to correctly identify the next action because they don't fully model the temporal order of events. SDRL first constructs a structured summary that preserves the complete action sequence. This stronger temporal grounding enables the model to reason correctly and predict the next step. In another example, video R1 and video RFT generate verbal and low information density descriptions. This description creates longer and less stable reasoning paths. In contrast, SDRL extracts concise and highly relevant visual facts. This leads to a shorter reasoning chain, better grounding, and ultimately the correct answer. To summarize, SDRL introduced structured reinforcement learning for video understanding through a summary, think, answer framework. We propose two self-supervised objectives, CVK and DVR, to improve consistency and diversity during reasoning. Together with token-wise weighted optimization, SDRL achieves strong performance without requiring any jump sort annotation. Thank you very much for listening.